day, thousands of cars fill our roads. Cars help us get to school, work, and activities, but they also pollute our air. When possible, we can walk or ride our bike. If we live close to school or nearby activities, this would reduce the number of cars on the road. It will also keep us healthy and active. Another solution is carpooling. Instead of every family using a separate car, we can share rides. For example, when going to gymnastics, football practice, or choir rehearsals, parents can take turns driving. Fewer cars means less traffic and less pollution. We can also use public transport when possible. One bus can carry many people, which means fewer cars on the roads. If many of us make small changes together, we can make a big difference. Cleaner air starts with smarter choices because the future belongs to us.